In this video, we are talking about why after trying everything, you're still not consistent. Because you might be thinking that you need more focus, more discipline, or maybe new habits. But in real, all you need is just a structure. Structure that survives your everyday mood swings. You're motivated, everything goes right. And the moment life gets a little stressed, everything collapses. If you can relate with this statement, you might be the emotionally productive kind of person. In this video, I'll show you how to build a fixed daily skeleton, the 3 anchor rule that saves your period day mood swings, and why structure beats your Pinterest-worthy morning routines. So let's first of all understand what is a structure. If you are thinking about time blocking, time management, or any kind of Notion templates, it's not that. A structure is not your morning routine. It's not that 6 brush, 6 journal, 620 push-ups. No. Your morning block, your afternoon block, your evening and your night block. That's it. When we are talking about structure, the first part of building a structure is actually a fixed skeleton. Now I know you might be thinking, what is that skeleton? In simple words, it is the outline of your day. It is not one habit, it is not a specific action, it is the outline of your overall day. So when you say that you don't know what you actually are doing all day long, that means you do need a daily outline, because you really have no control over your time and you have no idea what your time is actually spending on. So for example, if you are a content creator and a student just like me, your daily outline might look like your mornings are for your classes, your afternoons are for your content creation, and evenings are for revision or maybe for your own time. If your day have no structure, that's exactly when you need to have a debate with your mind. And that's exactly why you are still not consistent, so you understand what I mean. Removes the decision fatigue from your day-to-day life. So you are not out here building new habits or trying to be more productive every Monday. You know how your day is outlined and you know what you do at a specific time, what you do in morning, what you do in afternoon, and what you do in the evening. Because the fact that you don't lack motivation, and as I said, that motivation is something that you don't need. First of all, you don't need motivation, you just need a fixed container for your habits, for your actions to actually fit into, and structure is that stable container. Now what about the days when you have no energy left, like your periods, when even you don't know what is wrong with you? That's where the 3 anchor rule will save you, because the 3 anchor rule means you choose 3 non-negotiable actions for the day. Best part is, they are not your habits, they are not your morning routines, and they are not even time blocked. They are just 3 things that you will do. It was just something like a task that you assign to yourself for that day, because you know you do not have the energy to do anything else, but you just spend your time doing the thing that gives you that 80% result. So you are putting your time, you give yourself time to do those 20% things. And you have exams, okay, you have no energy left, like your today's exam was not that good and you also have another exam tomorrow. So instead of studying, you are just spiraling. For that time, instead of just understanding 3 new concept, you revise one. A student, your 3 non-negotiable actions could be your study, revision, or your exercise. Now one thing you should be focusing here, that they are not your habits, they are your daily anchor. So they just save you from any emotional interruption that your mind is just keep saying. Because when you are stressed, your mind is just keep saying, no, we are not doing enough. This saves exactly that. So even when you are not feeling okay, you are building your identity, you are showing up, and that's what consistency actually asks for. And you are showing up on those days when you clearly don't feel like yourself, and you're building that identity even on the days when you are just not in the mood. Going back to your normal days, for your normal days, if you only have anchors, they won't fix your inconsistency alone. Because if your anchors have no structure, once again, they will not save you from becoming an inconsistent person. Say that habits are important, yes, they are important. But without structure, you keep on failing, because your habit needs a container. So you can understand habits that they can sit inside the outline of your day, they sit inside your daily structure. When you build habits without having a daily structure, they just float around. And when your life gets stressed, when your mood is not okay, they just vanish. Because habits looks like, I want to work out more often, but structure says inside my 7 to 8 a.m. I'm gonna work out. That's structure. The first one depends on remembering, the second one depends on the design, the architecture. Because habits would not survive your chaotic days, but structure surely will. That's the reason why people restart habits every Monday, because they don't have a structure in their life, in their daily life. People don't know where they spend their time. Motivation just try to fix the behavior, but structure fix the identity. Structure fix the identity. So here's the truth. You don't lack motivation, you lack structure strong enough to survive your mood swings. The reason behind you are not able to build a new habit and stick to them is not because you're weak and you're not capable. It's because they're just floating around your day and has no structure. So the moment you start to have a daily structure, habit will also start to stick with you. A daily outline about what you should do in this time, what you should do in this time, and consistency just stop feeling like something that you cannot achieve. You need to rethink your life and your systems again. Make sure you connect, because at the end of the story, motivation was never the problem. Your systems are.